So this is my unboxing of my wireless lavalier microphone for your cell phone. As you can see, I already took it out the box. It came with two microphones, the receiver, adapter for iPhone adapter. I don't know if y'all can see that. iPhone adapter. It comes with two foam pieces to go over and two of the wind resistant pieces. I just use one for one. So far, it seems to be working pretty good. I haven't gotten I haven't had any problems with the sound or the volume, anything like that, since I've been using it. So check it out. Amazon. $12. Tell you about it later.